What's up guys, today we're playing Animal Hospital again and I'm playing it with my friend today. His name is Umar. Let's go. Wait, this gonna take too long. Gonna speed this up in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Wait, first do I not have to get coffee? Yeah, okay, let me get some. Your customer is coming. Okay. And what is this animal? Let me speed this up. I'll take this. Let me close this door. Okay. Oh, there's another customer coming. Hey, be fast. You're here for your appointment? Okay. I don't remember you coming and wanting an appointment, but okay. Oh, he already did that. Yo guys, I'm gonna show his channel in the last of the vid, okay? I'll take eye drops. Does Umar? Oh, he has eye drops. Let me do it first. Let's go right here first. You didn't, Umar. Performance. Let's go. We got excellent. And I'm the best. Do you guys know if you heal the patient, you really don't get the best on the right side of your screen? If you do it at the lobby and let people in and not let enemies come in, yeah, you're gonna be the best on the screen. No way, an enemy is coming. What the hell? Oh, close the shutters. No, turn on the shutters. Now why is he mad? Get out! Okay, now customer is coming. That's good. Oscar Yusuki? What is that name? This game is coming up with names which comes from different countries. Give names which people have in America. It's more better. Now what do I do? It's really not that much. Oh, coffee is ready for me. Now I got 2 coffees. Oh, customers coming. No! I didn't do it too fast. Get out of here! Do you guys know if you give coffee to them, they go and you don't get, your sanity doesn't go low? And I'm pretty sure they can kill you when they break it and another one comes. No, another enemy. Why do they even look like that, bro? Let me. Oh, the shop is not open. No one in these rooms. Any enemies? Let's see. I don't see any. Okay. Well, there's no enemies. That's good. Oh, he's doing it really fast. Okay. So the blue ones are the patients and the green ones are the visitors. Okay. Let me fix this camera. It's broken. Hey! Let me clean this up. What's there slime here? Okay, now let me do this and this. Okay. Look at the card game. He's gonna. Yo, who closed the no, turn on the shutters. Oh, Omar did. There's no one in the game except him. Get out! Yo, someone's in room 3. Let me go here. No one was paying attention to her. I don't know her or she. Are she? What? Okay. So bruises and stomach aches. Okay. I don't see any bruises though. Bruh, he's taking it off. I don't think so. Let me throw this. Don't need this. Are herbs even yummy? Okay. How long? Oh. Okay. This and that. Okay. Let me go here. Boom. Bang. Bang. So easy. Oh, the shop opened. Let me go there. There's not that much stuff here. Let's go. 0 deaths. That's good. Oh, this guy wants coffee. Let me give him some. Omar! At least he took the coffee. Okay, they're leaving. Are there any more patients here? Nope. Oh, the camera is broken. Let me fix it. Done. Why is not Umar coming here? Yo, he fainted. Let me throw him in the trash. Give me. Right there. Okay. Bye. You didn't see that, right? Do you see that? Go! Bruh, he came back for coffee. Nah, bro. I'm not giving you coffee. Get out of here! Nah, I ain't watching out. Little bro thinks he's tough by saying that. Yo, someone's coming here. Let me get everything ready. Okay. Charles Bear. I think that might be the most actual normal name I saw right now. I got a roommate. Bro, that's surgery room. Okay, gonna speed this up in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now done speeding it up. Okay, here. We only got 45 seconds? What? Let me take this. Introduce this fast. If they're sleeping, how do they die? Oh, it's not there. He's gonna give it. Okay. The medicine. Oh, not this medicine. Okay, then it's not here. Oh, he's gonna do it. Okay, here it is. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, he's healing right now. Surgery room. What is this mouse doing here again? Get out here! Get this mouse out of here! Bruh, why does he keep turning it on when it's not time and keep turning it off when it's time, bro? I suck on Disney Brown. What is that name? Bro, why does when I look at this mouse, why do I think his name is Vinny in secret? Okay, finally the processing is done. Maple syrup and eye drops, okay. Okay, eye drops. Okay guys, so I think that's it for today. So like and subscribe. Peace.